La Mesa RV is one of our newest members of our product. We've had them now for almost a year, and they throw a great event every single year in April in Phoenix, Arizona and Cardinal Stadium. So we are at their biggest show of the year for Class Bs, and it's called the Super B Show. It's an amazing opportunity to be placed side by side the other manufacturers that we're competing against, so customers can see the difference and they can see the quality and workmanship that we provide in our vehicles, and get to come and touch base with people that know a little bit about our product so they can make an educated decision. We're the last family-owned, family-operated van manufacturer in business today that takes their time and builds them right, one at a time. We're not in a race trying to build the most, we're trying to keep the belt. We're the best. In addition to that, because we have long-serving employees and people that care about the business and care about our product, we have the best customer service after the sale, by far. What's new for Pleasureway this year is the introduction of the new Mercedes chassis. What isn't new for us is, our build process. We're going to take the time to do it right. We're going to take the time to choose the proper materials so that we can build a van that's going to last for decades, trouble-free for our customers, and try to eliminate the old saying of all this brain damage people are having with these products out there now. I think you should come on out to the show, take a look, because this is the only place in the nation with every single make, model, and floor plan.